ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mama and Daddy. We love you. Ingat po kayo ng palagi.
God bless po.
Love you.
Happy birthday, Lola and Lolo. We love you po. Ingat po kayo dyan.
Happy birthday, Kuya Willie, Ate Nancy. More birthdays to come. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. I love you both. God bless.
Hey, Doc Willie and Ma'am Nancy. Happy birthday po. I wish you good health and more success in life. Thank you so much for the kind heart. Salamat po sa pagiging mabuti sa kahit na sinong tao. Wala kayong pinipili. Walang selective treatment. Salamat po sa lahat ng kabutihan. Salamat sa lahat ng mga, alam niyo po yun, mga magagandang inspiration stories na napupulot namin galing sa inyo. I wish you good health. I wish you all the best thing in life. God bless you and your family abundantly. And sana, Doc and Ma'am Nancy, maging strong pa yung relationship ninyo and keep the love burning. Happy birthday po. Enjoy your day.
Happiest birthday, Doc Willie and Tita Nancy. Wishing you both good health, more years to celebrate with each other, more success in life, para mas dumami pa kayong matulungan at naway humaba pa ang program ninyo ni Ate Lainey dahil malaking tulong ang lahat ng sinishare nyo sa amin. And wishing you more happiness in life. Again, happy birthday sa inyong dalawa. Enjoy your big day. Love you. God bless.
Hi Mama and Daddy. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Enjoy your day. Stay healthy. Kayong dalawa. Huwag na kayo masyadong mag-isip. Sana maging malusog kayo pareho. At sana maraming birthday pang marating. At magkita tayo. Sana magkita tayo dyan sa US. Soon, Mama. We love you so much. I love you, Mama and Daddy. God bless always.
Happy birthday to our lovers, Doc Willie and Miss Nancy. We love you. Mwah!